Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to upgrade your system to Windows 11. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to the official Microsoft website. From there, you'll want to download the latest Windows 11 disk image or ISO file to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the ISO file and double-click it to mount the drive. Inside the folder, you will see the setup.exe file. Go ahead and click that to begin the process. The installer will now automatically check for the latest system updates and begin the installation. During this time, your PC may restart several times. This is completely normal. And there we go. As you can see, the OS has been successfully upgraded to Windows 11. You're all set to explore the new features. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily Tech EDU for more straightforward IT tutorials.